Hey guys, what's happening? How to optimize your Bluesky profile for more engagement. First of all, perfect your bio. Click the three bars at the top left, click your name, and make sure to click edit profile and add the perfect bio. Keep it clear, witty, and relevant. Let people know who you are in a sentence or two. Next, use a striking profile pic, right? Stay on the edit profile. Make sure to add a faces that work best. Make sure it's a high quality and eye-catching, right? And craft a catchy display name right here. Add a unique touch like emoji, nickname, or a descriptor, right, to stand out, right? Next, post regularly. Engage with trends, ask questions, and share insights to stay visible. And engage with others, right? Like, reply, or even retweet, right? The more you interact, the more you grow. And next, use hashtag and keywords. Bluesky search thrives on relevant terms. Optimize your posts. Next, pin your best post, right? Make sure to showcase something engaging, funny, or thought-provoking. You can go ahead and click the three bars at the top left, click your name, and then you could click the three dots next to the tweet or next to the tweet, and then click pin to profile, right? And refresh, and you're gonna see right here the pinned post. Join communities, find your niche, and participate in discussion. Lastly, be consistent, be yourself, and watch the engagement roll in. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.